Good morning, student. Today is our chapter linear equation, chapter number 2. Before discussing linear equation, there is some important thing that I want to discuss you. I hope you know it very well, but I want to remind you. First of all, constant. What is constant? The symbol whose value is fixed that are known as constant. Constant means having the fixed value. Like 4. 4 always you count the 4 always you will get. Suppose the 4 banana in your home, you count. Always you will get 4. Okay. Now, variable. The symbol whose value is not fixed. That are called variable. Like x, y, z. Okay. Suppose if I say x equals to 1, then you write x equal to 1. X equal to I say 2, then you write x equal to 2. So the value of variable always is changed. Okay. So that are called variable. Now, what is algebraic expression? You see here there says I have written a 4x. In x here this x is called variable because if I say here x equals to 1, then you say 4 into 1 equals to 4. If I say x equals to 2, then you say 4 into 2 equals to 8. If I say here x equals to 3, then you say 4 into 3 equals to 12. It means this algebraic expression value is changed when we change value of x. This 4 always is fixed. You can't change it because this 4 is fixed. Okay. This is arbitrary. Okay. Now, what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is also very simple thing. See what is algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is an expression built from constant. Constant means like numeral and variable like letter, symbol, shapes, anything you can take. So this suppose I have right here x and operation. Operation what can be possible? Plus, minus, multiply, divide, etc. So you see here what operation here applied in between them? Multiplication. I have not mentioned there is sign, but this is understood. Okay. So this is also an algebraic expression because we have write together constant and variable. Now see more example of algebraic expression. Constant, variable, operation plus, constant, variable, variable, operation plus, variable. So this is an algebraic expression. Similarly, we can write another algebraic expression 4ab c. Okay. Now this you can see 4ab plus c. This is also an algebraic expression. Now we are talking about algebraic equation. I hope you understand algebraic expression. Now algebraic equation. An algebraic expression have something equal to, then it is said to be algebraic equation. Okay. In definition here is written an algebraic equation is an equality. Equality means here I have mentioned equation. Equation means equal. Means algebraic expression. This is algebraic expression. We put equal to something, then it's said to be equation. Okay. Simple. An algebraic expression which have equal to something, then it is said to be algebraic equation. Okay. So see here numeral, variable, operation, variable. So this is an algebraic expression and it have equal to something 5. So this makes an equation. Okay. Similarly here this x square equal to 4. This x square equal to 4. This is also an equation because this is an algebraic variable and equal to have something. This is also an equation. There are 3 equations written here. Okay. Now what is linear equation? Because we need to study here linear equation in this chapter. I have explained you equation, algebraic expression, constant, variable. Now linear equation. What is linear equation? See what is an algebraic equation which have only one degree and one variable is known as linear equation. Linear means just like a line. When you plot its graph, you will get a simple line, means straight line. Okay, but I am not telling you how to plot here graph. If I need explaining more, then I will tell it. Okay, so but one thing you understand, what is degree? Degree means power of expression. What is your power? To see here, this is a variable. On this variable, what is your power? There is nothing I mentioned. It means there is only one power. What is the power? 1. I have studied in class 7 index power and exponent chapter. There I have explained it very well. What is power or degree? Okay, power and degree both are the same. Okay, so you see here the 1 power means 1 degree. Now next thing I have told you, one variable. How many variable? One variable. So you see here x, only one variable here. If x only here one variable, then what you say? Simple. Say this is an linear equation. Okay. Next you see here 8 by equal to 4. This is also linear equation. Okay. Now you understand its standard form. Standard form of linear equation. Ax plus b equals to 0. Okay, I am not telling about much more about this, but little bit I want to give you knowledge about that linear equation standard form. Ax plus b equals to 0, where a and b are real number and a never be 0. A never be 0. You can't write a as a 0. Okay, for linear equation. And a and b are real number. Okay, and x is a variable which having only one degree. This is standard form, but this is not in your syllabus. Bas. Okay, now solution of equation. What is solution of equation? The value of variable on which satisfy to the given equation, not on which. Here you remove this on. Okay, now the value of variable which satisfy to the given equation is called solution of the equation. Okay, means the value of variable which satisfy to the given equation is called solution of equation. Means now one question, see, find the solution of this equation I am telling you. Okay, now I have told you the value of variable means value of y, what the value of y is satisfied to the given equation. So I am not telling you here the how we find here solution, just I am telling you what is solution here. Okay, suppose I put here y equals to 3 by 2. If I put here y equals to 3 by 2 and now I write in place of y, what I write? Okay, see 1 minute. In place of okay, in place of y I write here 3 by 2. What is this? Okay, this 3 by 2. Okay, because I have chosen y equals to 3 by 2, this I put here in place of y, and 14 is written already, so this 14 I have right here. Minus 8 equals to 13. Now you see this 2 is in division and 14 is in numerator. Now we divide it. 2 1 are 2, 2 7 are 14. Now in numerator 7 and 3, 7 3s are 21. Minus 8 equals to 13. 21 minus 8, what you will get? 13. And in the right side is also 13. Now you have got it. LHS side also 13 and RHS also 13, means both side you will get the same. it means this is your solution. This is your solution. Okay, so if it is solution, simple, you write y equals to 3 by 2 is solution of the given equation. Okay, little bit I will tell you how this y equals to 3 by 2 I choose it. Okay, don't need to be panic here, just I have explained here what is solution, which is said to be solution of equation. You see here the y value 3 by 2 is satisfied to the given equation, so we simply say that y equals to 3 by 2 is solution of the equation. If this side we will not get equal, then you don't say this is solution. Okay, so we have got it at this side and this side both are equal, then we must be say this is solution of the given equation. I hope you understand. Have you understand? Please comment. Okay, now we are going to discuss methods of linear equation. Okay. Methods for solving linear equation. Systematic method. Systematic method means you something add or subtract or multiply or divide in both side. Means in this side also you can same number multiply, in this side also. We apply the both operation in the both side. This we will discuss in later in more detail. But we will discuss here much and much more only transposition method, because this is a very easy method. Okay. Now transposition method. Transposition. Trans means change, like a transport. Transport what we are doing for us, just changing the position of the things. Transposition, we change here only the position of variables and constant, then we find out our solution. This method is very easy method. This we will discuss more and more. Okay, now hit and trial method. In hit and trial method, just you have seen here this question I have solved here. This question is solved by hit and trial method. Just I have chosen the y equals to 3 by 2 and put here, and we will get solution. It means this is our hit and trial method. If we will not get solution, then we will write a no solution, means not, this is not a solution. If we will get a solution, means LHS side RHS side we will get equal, then we will say yes, it is solution of the given equation. So this method is called hit and trial method, where we choose the values on and put them and we check the LHS and RHS both. Okay, now we are coming in exercise 2.1. Okay, exercise 2.1. One thing you notice here, 2.1 exercise, all the question 1 to 3 are very easy and the remaining questions are also very easy. I am discussing here only 6 and 4 questions. See 6 question how we will solve. 7x minus 9 equals to 16. We want to find the value of x. We are using here which method? Transposition method. Okay, we are using here only transposition method. Okay, now in transposition method, first you stop the x term. What is x term? 7x. The remaining term you send on another side. So what is remaining here? Minus 9. This minus 9 we will take in this side. If you take in this side, this become positive, because whenever you change the sign of any value, then its sign must be changed. If plus sign, then it will change in minus. If minus sign in the left side, it change in the positive. If multiply, it change in divide. If divide, it change in multiply. Just it's reverse sign. It's opposite sign. Okay. Now this 9 you take in this side, so this become positive. You write here plus 9 and 16. 16 plus 9 becomes 25. This I have write in this side 7 is same as it. After that, our task is find the value of x. What is written here extra? This 7 is written extra. And how is it written here? By which operation? There is no symbol in between them. It means here is symbol is multiply. It means it is written here in multiply form. So this 7 you take on the right side. When you taking this on the right side, it's there in this side. Here is multiply sign. Here is comes division sign. What comes here? Division sign. So you apply here division sign, divide sign. What is that? This you sign you mention here. And by which number it should be divided? 7. You write here 7. This we can write also in the form of fractional. You can write 25 upon 7. Again you can want to change it. So you can write as 7 3s are 21. How much left? 4 whole, sorry, 3 whole 4 by 7. Okay, this you can say answer. You can write this also, and this also you can write if you want to more simplify. Now we will discuss the question number 4. Question number 4 is also very easy. Very easy. What you can say this? Just like a halwa. Okay. Now, so you see here this 3 here is in division, and we need to find the value of x. So you see in x, what is written here in multiply? There is written 2. So this 2x I hold it, and this 3 is in division. We take in this side. When you take in this side, then it change as a multiply. Okay, so you write here 3 as a multiplier. 14 into 3 I write here, and here is left 2x. Now our task is find the value of x, only x. This 2 is written here. By which sign? There is no sign, is multiply. This 2 you take in this side, this comes multiply sign change in division. Change the multiply in division. So it comes here in the form of division. So division you can write in its denominator. 14 into 3 divided by 2. This 2 comes in division. So you write here in denominator. Okay. Now 2 7s are 14. This 14 you cut. What you write here? 7, and 7 3 are 21. In denominator what is left? 1. Your answer is 21. X equals to 21. This is your answer. I hope you understand these questions. If you not understand, please comment. Thank you. Have a nice day, and complete exercise 2.1.